Why women in politics matter. A more balanced world. Ever wondered why some decisions just don't seem to consider everyone's needs? The answer might lie in who's making those decisions. Let's explore why having women in politics is crucial for a fairer and more effective society. Women bring different life experiences and perspectives to the table. This diversity of thought is essential for crafting policies that address the needs of the entire population, not just a select few. Imagine a law about childcare being written solely by men. Would they consider all the nuances and challenges faced by working mothers? Probably not. Having women in politics ensures that issues specifically affecting women, like reproductive health, equal pay, and gender-based violence, receive the attention they deserve. These are not niche issues. They affect half the population. When women are at the decision-making table, these concerns are more likely to be voiced, understood, and addressed effectively. It's about ensuring everyone has a fair chance. Studies have shown that when women are involved in political decision-making, policies are often more inclusive and effective. This isn't just about women's issues, it's about better governance overall. For example, research suggests that countries with more women in parliament tend to have lower levels of corruption and higher investments in education and healthcare. A win-win for everyone. Seeing women in positions of power inspires young girls and women to pursue their own ambitions and break down barriers. Representation matters. When girls see women leading, they are more likely to believe in their own potential and strive for leadership roles themselves. It creates a positive cycle of empowerment. Democracy is about representing the will of the people. If half the population is excluded or underrepresented, can we truly call it a democracy? Ensuring women's equal participation in politics is not just a matter of fairness. It's fundamental to the very principles of democracy. It's about creating a government that truly reflects the people it serves. Having women in politics is not just a nice to have. It's a necessity for a more just, equitable, and effective society. It benefits everyone, not just women. So, what can you do? Support female candidates, advocate for gender equality in your community, and encourage young women to pursue their political aspirations. Share this video to spread awareness, and let's work together to build a world where everyone's voice is heard. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on this important topic.